check out the areas near her place.
Yeah, it's a gold mine for the thrifting and antiquing.
But I'm so excited.
Me too.
Because we're in a truck. That makes antiquing so much better.
It's hardcore antiquing and thrifting.
Yeah.
It actually means you can buy big furniture pieces and not have to like think about the repercussions of like, how am I going to get this home?
Well, I still have to take it back in my car, but we'll figure it out. And afterwards, we're doing a haul. Make sure you
Big
go
haul.
check out Danie's side afterwards and see what she hauled.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Danie! Ah! It's been so long.
I know, it's actually been a ridiculous amount of time, but I will say this. 1 year ago, around this time, we actually did a collab, so we are really good about collabing in Q1, let me tell you.
You know what? Yeah, let's keep it a tradition.
Yeah.
My goal for today, antiquing, I'm trying to find more art pieces. Danie's so good at this. She has so much decor fleshed out at her place. You know, the walls are decorated. As you all know, this year is the year I'm committing to actually putting art on the walls.
I'm happy for you.
Yeah, and that's my main goal for the day. But if I find some small furniture pieces, I won't say no. How about you? What are you looking for today?
Like small decor things, I like finding really weird kind of conversation pieces, like things that do not belong, but then suddenly when you put them in a very like eclectic home, they just it feels right. Like I love finding weird things like that.
All right.
Yeah. Yeah! Every store would welcome you with so much
I'm just so happy.
Look at your little sweaters.
Me too.
I can see these in your house.
Yes, I like the one that's rolling its eyes.
Yeah.
We had a blue and white pair, and apparently if they have a like gold chain, they retail for like $4,000.
Oh, damn.
You can put a gold chain on it though. You could DIY something.
Yeah, and prices are good here too. Oh my gosh. Oh, it just gets better. Look at this little teapot with another teapot. Oh, dang.
One of my favorites.
That's danger zone.
Yeah, that's dangerous.
Oh my god.
Oh,
yes.
Danie.
Good find for you.
Oh my
I
god.
love that for you so much.
This I must.
I have to.
I must.
You must.
I cannot not.
You cannot not.
Oh. Danie always gets me. You can't just like walk around. You gotta check all the levels. With these pieces,
Well, no, like
If
you know
I
how
were
like
to-
people paint over them and like,
yeah,
do, like,
people
a
paint over it.
splash of color across
Oh,
it,
yeah,
like,
across the
very,
light.
like,
Do you think that's a waste? Is that?
No, it's whatever you want it to be.
I know, but I just feel bad. Like maybe somebody was like, "Oh, I would have loved the whole
can't.
dude in the
Do your
frame."
research. The way I get around it is always do your research on the piece. And
Yeah.
if it costs a lot, then you can be like, this is where it is. I respect the art. Blah, blah, but this is what I'm doing. Tomorrow we're gonna do Brighton and Castleton. So we're going to Uncle Joe's attic because it's like like a place like this. It's just so genuinely unique.
Oh, I'll be back.
Yeah. I hope that this brings lots of people here.
Yep.
Thank you for coming in. Of course.
I always tell people you gotta get out of the city.
Oh, I forgot I was gonna get something else. Okay, I think I know your. I'll send when we get stuff in that I think you'll like. I'll send you pictures.
Really? If there's a newsletter, I'll sign up. That was
So fun. So good. So many good finds.
if that was the only trip of the day,
That would have been good. Like, we could just stop now and walk away happy. I know.
I cannot believe the good
Charlotte, the shop owner, she's like just got such a good eye
Yes.
for finding things, and then Holly, who curates the store, is just really good at like getting all those things out in front of it. You know, just like
Without overcharging, by the way.
advocate on it.
Next stop. Okay, this is where I commit myself. Somebody come get this mirror. look at that. Oh, that's gorgeous.
$3.75.
Holly was saying these are all from staging, house staging.
I think we should get these chairs.
Oh no, Danie. You know what I should have done? I should have measured the inside of my trunk.
You could fit that in your car.
You think so?
100%.
That's something.
That's a real conversation piece right there.
I'm thinking about it. It makes me feel things. This is great. This is so right now. What a spot.
We made it! So excited!
I'm so excited. This looks like gold.
That's why I always try to tell people there's an upstairs at the front and the back, because
Yeah.
people think they've done everything.
Yeah, that's deceptively.
Yeah, you know what? People say that to me all the time. Oh, this place is a lot bigger than it looks.
Yeah.
Actually, I've seen those before.
I've never seen that before. Does it automatically suck it up? I feel overstimulated.
I know, you really have to go slow.
Yeah.
And that's why you have to like spend time. Like don't feel like you're in a rush. Like just think we can spend the rest of the afternoon here if we want to, you know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, let's see this vast area you've been saying. The lovely house hippo made of soapstone. It just keeps. I haven't even been on that corner yet. And we can go down? And up? How'd you do this all in 3 hours now? Now I'm wondering. Okay, this is hilarious because I love Orange Crush. But look what it says. It's the healthful, true fruit drink containing the real juice of California oranges, which is hilariously ironic. Oh my god. Oh my god. Beautiful. A mahjong set. What are those? Anybody knows? Green IKEA lamp.
You should get some.
Made it to the end of this room. This is the exact thing that I found. Oh, but this one is not as good condition. And it's $12 each. Not bad. It's $36 for the 3 of them. I got mine for $50, which is okay. This one's a one-off. See, this one, just one, is $55. It's a Boston Terrier.
Oh, you should get it.
A very grumpy.
Woohoo!
What a day!
It's a good day.
We went in and it was still bright, and now it's
It's getting dark and my feet hurt, so that's a good sign.
Yeah, both of our foot problems are acting up.
I know. I'm sorry.
So your bunions or your plantar fasciitis or whatever it's called.
Fasciitis. We did a 9 to 5 day. All right, let's get this haul going.
I might as well move in. We were at Danie's place, as you know.
Yeah.
So the first stop that we went to in all of this antiquing trip, which was a great first stop, is called the Joneses. It's a small shop, but we spent a good chunk of time there because it's just
like an hour and a half.
there's a lot. There's a lot that I would have taken.
Love
this.
Let me hold it.
This.
Should I hold it for you?
Yeah.
I'll Vanna White it for you.
I think the graphic design of this really popped to me. Love the font in Esquire magazine. April 1967 edition. Great vintage ads.
Tried it won't bite. Oh my God, tobacco.
And great fonts. Beauty.
Nice find.
This was a last minute buy when I was there. It is
Yeah.
a framed, like, great frame. Oh, Velcro. Velcro's already on it.
Yay.
A great frame of a
I
tram
love
car.
this.
Yeah, I just love when there's like a wide mat around it. What I love about these antiquing places is that everything comes framed,
Yeah.
which is such a great one-off. But not only that, for $12, this was, come on, you can't even get a frame for $12 these days.
A nice one. This is cute.
This is, come on, this is super modern.
And this is very you.
Yeah,
I don't know
yeah.
how else to explain that.
This
but it
is
feels
the
very you.
Danish pastel that everybody's looking for. Already has the floral print on it. The floral,
Floral?
only slightly bongy.
I mean, I wasn't gonna say anything, but it does kind of look like a bong. Kind of.
It'd be great just, you know, as layered piece. It adds a little bit of a different height. This was at the front of the shop.
This is a great find for you.
It's very trendy right now to paint over it, and he had very playful eyes. I could add flowers.
Or like some wording on it too. Like
Yeah.
you love text, like a font could come over it.
Yep.
I feel like someone went, and then he was like, oops, don't tell anyone that was me.
All right, and then this
Here, hold on.
a fluff, and then this very special piece. This was like, we were almost done.
Yeah, we
We
were
were almost done at the store.
And then I happened to look down
We walked by it so many times.
so many times.
Oh, y'all are gonna love this. Ah!
It's beautiful.
It's just, I mean, pink. What
Yeah.
is this? Resin?
Yeah, it looks like an acrylic resin.
Yeah. I just didn't expect a lot of things in my style at antique places. Like, there's always things that I can find, but something like this is like, wow. If this isn't a testament of times right now, it's like, did you make this recently?
Yeah.
It's a retro thing that's trendy right now. The next place that I hit up is
Restore.
Restore.
We went
Thank
to the
you.
Restore. Yep.
Okay,
Restore. Habitat for Humanity Restore.
it furnished my first place, Restore. I had like a big old dresser from there and a really dusty velvet chair.
Yeah.
And I bought like an armchair for $10.
Yeah.
So it's a great place to find bigger furniture pieces. I found smaller ones, but this one being one of them.
I
Hello.
love this mirror.
They know that some of these items are trendy, so it's priced at $20.
Yeah.
But there were some great mirrors there for $10, like even bigger, much bigger than this for $10.
Yeah.
But a $20 mirror that's already framed. So this one's solid wood.
I love this mirror.
Yeah, it's the arch shape. She had to talk me into it. I just thought of what I'm gonna do to it. So I'm very glad you talked me into it.
Why?
It
What
just
did you
hit
do?
me.
Okay.
It's gonna be a secret.
Secret.
But gonna upcycle this, gonna upcycle that.
Yeah.
There's just so many options.
Yeah.
And again, arch mirrors these days, because they're so popular, they're
So expensive.
expensive. And this
Done
is
before.
one of 3 mirrored pieces that I got this trip around.
Really? You got 3? Oh, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah, good finds. That was
Yeah,
great.
what an extensive trip. It's just, there's so much. This is,
Yeah.
I had to split this into 2 shop with me's and hauls because it's so much. I went nuts, and if you know me, I'm not a big shopper. I mean,
You're frugal?
you enabled me a little, but in the best way possible. Always go with a buddy. That's all I have to say. You've seen what I have, but wait till you see what Danie got, because
A lot of stuff.
Yeah.
I also got a lot of stuff.
we have really different styles.
Yeah.
Some of the stuff that you brought back, I was like, where did you see that? When did you get that? Like,
I didn't even see you buy that.
yeah, I didn't. So definitely check out her channel. If you like to see more things, more thrift with me's on my Insta, I have what I didn't end up buying at the thrift store. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. So go check that out on Insta and TikTok at Letitia Q. Check out Danie and her channel at DIYDanie. And I will see you next time. Bye.